transverse axis, remember I said that's the last thing that you need to worry about. Worry about drawing your box first. Worry about drawing your foci. And once you have those points, your foci are always going to be along the transverse axis. So if it's x, if your transverse axis is 49 or is under the x, then it's going to open up side to side. All right, but don't think about it that way, because all you have to do is draw that rectangle in order for you to draw the hyperbola. So here we go. I'm just going to make a little coordinate axis down here. And we're going to label some things out. So since we're over here 49, this is going to mean that, well, let's start off with the basics here. Where is the center of this hyperbola? 0, 0. And we know that we're going to have a transverse axis of 49. So if I draw in my center point right there, 49 is the same thing as 7 squared. So our A is going to be 7. Our B is going to be 5. Does everybody see where I'm getting these numbers from? Our general form of our equation, the general formula says x minus h squared over a squared minus y minus k squared over b squared equals 1. So that means that 49 is a squared, 25 is b squared. So now we can go ahead and we can solve for c squared even. And we can say that c squared is equal to 49 plus 25. So c squared is equal to square root of 74, and that's approximately what? What's that? 8.6. Okay, so now that we have A, B, and C, we can start putting some points down. Now, if this is my center, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to look at under the x. X is side to side. So that means that I'm going to move from right here, from the center, I'm going to move 7 in this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right there. And I'm going to move 7 in the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There, now I have my two vertices. Here's one vertex, here's the other vertex. I now need to draw in the y portion of this. So the y dimension on my box. So I'm going to go up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right there, and down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right there. So now that I have this here, I can connect my dots, or I can make a box using these dots. And I'm going to go over my writing here. And one thing you can think of while we're doing all this is I may ask you for the equation of the asymptotes. So you're going to have to find the slope of those asymptotes. So we take this here and we're going to draw in our asymptotes now. I'm just going to go corner to corner. There's that. Now, this dimension right here, from here to there, is B. The dimension from here to there is A. And the final dimension I have is going to be dimension C, which is the distance from the center to the focus. And the focus is 8.6 away. So this is 7, this is 8, that's about 8.6 right there. 8.6 right there. So I have the vertex, I have my end behavior, I have my focus. I can draw in my hyperbola now. And the hyperbola it's going to look like this here. That's the hyperbola right there.